Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable slow motion on TikTok. Slow motion videos can recapture a key moment in sports competition, show the amazing moment of natural phenomena, or create other effects. And with this speed tool, it is also possible to achieve slow motion video on TikTok. Here's how to do it. First, record a slow motion video. TikTok Speed Tools allows users to set or adjust the video speed while recording. It means you can directly record a slow motion video on TikTok. Open the TikTok app on your phone and tap on the plus at the bottom. Now, record the video and click on the speed in the top right corner, and you'll see speed options above the red recording button. Choose a speed between 0.5 times and 0.3 times. Then tap on the record button to record a slow motion video. When the recording is finished, click the red check mark. Continue to edit this video and then post it on TikTok. Option 2. Add slow motion effect to a pre-made video. If you have a pre-recorded video, especially a long video, you can also apply the slow motion effect to it. To do so, open the TikTok and click the plus icon. Then tap the upload button to add your video. Once uploaded, click the effect icon, swipe right, and click the time. Then, click the slow motion to add this effect to the video. Then, you can drag the slider to choose the area where you want to add the slow motion effect. And click the next to save these changes. TikTok has just launched the double speed playback function that allows users to adjust the playback speed of the video they're watching. At present, this function is only available for the video you're watching now. If you want to watch the next video at this speed, it needs to be reset. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next videos.